Everyone loves a delicious drink, and they're made even better with fresh ingredients. The simplest way to have fabulous cocktails on hand at all times is to have a cocktail garden. Come on, I'll show you how simple it is. Mint is a must for a cocktail garden. It's perfect for everything from smashes to mojitos. Lavender not only has pretty flowers, it tastes delicious when mixed with blueberries for a blueberry vodka tonic. Rosemary is a hardy herb that grows well year after year. It comes back, and it's great in bellinis. When you harvest your basil from the garden, make sure that you take it from the top of the plant. For low-cal summer drinks, skip the sugar rimmers and sweet juices for mixers. Instead, grab all those fresh herbs from the garden, mix it up with club soda, which is 0 calorie, and flavored seltzer waters, and keep tons of fresh citrus on hand for loads of different fresh, low-cal summer drinks. Once you've added your berries and herbs, you can go ahead and add your favorite alcohol. Vodka, gin, or rum all work great. Next, add ice and simply top off with your favorite seltzer. It can be plain club soda or a flavored seltzer for a delicious, low-calorie summer drink. So you see, with a few simple ingredients in the garden, some citrus and seltzer water in the kitchen, you can have delicious cocktails anytime.